So in this lecture, we will see AWS tags and what we can do with tags. Let's see in this lecture. First, you can add text key value pairs called tags to many AWS resources, not just EC2, but it is commonly used in EC2. You can use it on Lambda as well, or S3 and other services. You have renaming convention in this, and common tags are basically named as name, environment, teams, etc., etc. They are used for resource grouping, automation, and cost allocation. And the thumb rule is that it is better to have too many tags than too less. Okay, and using these, we can make resource groups. Okay, we can leverage resource groups. So in this, while making resource group, you have to create, view, or manage logical group of resources. And very thanks to tags that we are having these types of feature. Next is it allows creation of logical groups such as applications, different layers of an application stack, and production versus development environments. This is a regional service, and you can use it in any region, and it works well with EC2, S3, DynamoDB, Lambda, etc. So here how we can do it. I have three EC2 instances in this lecture when we will see. So the key value pair is here. Key is environment, value is dev. Key is environment, value is the dev. So basically, the resource group with same environment will be grouped together to make applications better to use. So this is it. Let's see the hands-on now. Okay, so we have three instances running right now. Just look here. Yep. So in each of these instances, I'll be adding or managing tags. So for our first instance, let's go here in tags and manage tags, add tags. And tags are basically key value pairs. So I'll manage tags and I'll just give them a name. Name is inst1. So I'll just name it like my prod instance, my prod instance. Okay. And then I'll add new tag. And you can say we can just remove it and add new tag. Key is will be our name. So first name is use name, enter value. Value will be my prod instance. Okay. Next, add new tag. Our key will be now environment. Yep, environment. And in this, we will enter a value which is prod basically. Yep. And we'll now again add new tag which is team, and team will be our finance team, right? So let's group it in finance team, and then we will save this first instance tag. So we have added tag to the first instance. Let's do the same in second instance. Uh, so let us name this instance tag. Okay, so we will name it manage tags. We'll name it as my dev instance. Next is the same environment. So environment of this tag will be same dev. Last one was prod, and this is dev. Key will be team, and then here it is in finance only. Okay, so in finance team we have two tags, prod instance and dev instance, right? I'll save it. Okay, so two tags have been added. Similarly, I'll be doing this in the third instance, and I'll be creating or managing tags. Tag is basically a key value pair that I already told you. So in this third instance, I'll be naming it as my other dev instance. Dev instance, right? We'll be adding another tag, which is environment, and environment will be same as dev. Yeah, so environment is dev. Next, we'll add another tag, team, which will be operations. This is in another team, which is operations basically, and I'll just save it. So we have added tags to all the three instances. Now what we have to do, we have to go to resource group from this search bar. So here I'll be having a resource group option. Okay. Yep. Here it is. We'll just open it into a new tab. We'll create a resource group here. It is a tag-based resource group, and in the grouping criteria, resource type will be EC2 instance, right? So let's find that EC2 instance here. Tag key. So I'll be entering tag key as environment and optional tag value as dev, right? And I'll be just previewing group resources. And yeah, I have two resources, two instances, which have the tag value as dev, right? So tag value is dev, environment, and service is EC2. Now what? I can just create this group and I can name also, like I'll be naming this dev group. I can name it. Okay, dev group. Sorry. Yeah, let's create this group now. I can make another group. Okay, here is my group. I can make another group from there, and that group will be. Let's create another group. This group is basically same EC2 instance. Let's find it. Yep, it is here. Tag key will be team now, and in this team, we will be having finance as our option. Okay, and if you will review your group resources, you will find that yep, you have as tag is equal to team, you have finance here, and here are two tags, and you can also create them, and you can check that, right? So let us create that group. Group name is equal to as we have entered finance, right? So finance group. Let's name it create group. Yep, it is here. Finance group is successfully created. So we have created these two instances like prod instance, dev instance, and another one I can also see, which was third, my other dev instance. While I'll be selecting environment is equal to dev, then I'll have that my other dev instance also. So this is how we can create group resources, and this is how we can check instances and we can create resource groups. So this is basically a prerequisite for our next lectures that we will be working on. So I hope this was clear to you. Let's meet in our next lecture. Thank you.